Okay, so in this video I just wanted to show you how you can make people mods or VIPs or whatever in your Twitch chat. So, you just you can literally just go here and then slash VIP and then their name. And, or you can do slash VIPs and it'll display all the people who are VIPs on your channel. Or if you want to make someone mod, you put slash mod and then their username, and then if you want to see all the list of mods, then you just put mods. And then when they are VIPs or when they are mods, you'll see like mods will have a little green sword icon next to them, and then VIPs will have this little like diamond shape next to them. So yeah, and then if you want to like unmod or unVIP, unmod, and then their name, or unVIP, and then their name. But it looks like Twitch also added a bunch of stuff where you can just, you know, see all these. So you can look through all of this. You can block people and unblock people through here. You can do slash color and whatever color too. Or like you can help, command, whatever. So it looks like they made it easier to know what to do or easier to know what all of these are. So, you know, it's kind of, that's cool. But yeah, anyways, I think that's it for this video. I don't think I really need to like show anything else. There's also artists, but it's just the same thing really. So, you know, that's kind of whatever. But yeah, anyways, I guess that's it. So, bye.